Hello, YouTubers. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Genesis Goat. I got me some more rocks, and they look to be fossils. So share your thoughts and comments. I would appreciate it. I'm going to show them to you one by one. Some of these are pretty unique. Not sure what that is, but it looks like the same thing that's in this rock right here. I didn't know better. I'd say it looks like a tick, like a Missouri tick. This is a pretty cool one here. A little piece of fuzz on it there. Very unique shell. Another little tiny shell. This, I think it might just be a rock. It's about 4 inches long. I am not sure if it is a fossil or not. Here's another one of those odd looking shells. That side just looks like a good skipping rock. This may be a tube worm, or was, but it is a solid chunk of rock now. It's got a lot of lines in it like it was a tube. And this is a unique looking rock. I thought it was a geode. I smacked it with a hammer and it did not reveal anything inside except a rock. So let me know your thoughts and your comments. I appreciate you very much.